Well, it's a few days before Christmas here, 2018, and it's time to unveil the new Ernie Ball Music Man John Petrucci JP15 7-string in Eminence Purple. I guess technically this is not an unboxing because I've already unboxed it, but it has not yet seen the light of day. I love the sound of these latches coming undone. All right, let's check out this color. Let's check out this flame. Wow. First of all, the black hardware is just stunning. So let's see. Really cool, sort of deep, rich flame. Wonderful ebony neck, no markers, white binding. Now let's check out this flamed roasted maple headstock. Wow. All right, let's see what the neck looks like. If you have not seen these roasted maple necks in person, they're amazing. I've had a few. Let's see. Wow. Absolutely incredible. Now, let's see what this top looks like in person. Well, I'm going to be leaving town tomorrow morning, taking this with me. When I come back, I'll do a video or two, maybe of some new songs with this absolutely gorgeous piece of art.